Arduino complete course from basic to advanced level. So in this video, we'll be talking about the user interface. So this is the user interface of Arduino. So this is the file. So under file, we have new, open, open recent. Well, we have vibration, many projects, blink. So that was my previous project I've done. So we have the sketchbook, we have the examples. So we have the basics. We have analog, read, a lot. We have digital, we have blink, we have analog in and out serial, analog input, communication, acceptable, American standard code interface, international interface. So we have the control, switch keys, a lot of, when you click on it, it contains the source code. So we have the strings. So we have the USB, keyboard, mouse. We have the starter kit. So all these are projects with the source codes. So these are a lot of examples. So if you want to use it with another board, Adafruit, Explorer, Internet, GSM, a lot of it. Robot control, robot motor. So there are lots of templates. So it still contains more examples down below. So this is it. So this is just the examples of it. So we have the save, we have the save, we have the save as, we have close, page, print, quit. So we have the edit. So copy HTML, increase, find. We have the sketch, verify, upload using programmer. So these are it. You can include library. Yeah, also include library. So we have the tools. You can fix encoding, serial monitor. So we'll be looking at serial monitor as time go. See my Arduino because I'm using Arduino. This is the ports. Arduino. Yeah, so you select the Arduino you have. As I'm using Arduino Internet or Arduino Internet, but I'm using Arduino. So that is it. So there's the help, get it started, frequently asked questions. So this is it. So this place is my workspace. I have the upload, new, open, save. So below when I write my code is my workspace. I have the void setup, void loop, and now below here is my compiler. Thank you. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to this video's channel for more, so that you keep me motivated to do more of this. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you.